On number 12, it says that the order is for 1500 milliliters over 7 hours with a drop factor of 15 GTT per ml. And they want us to calculate the rate of flow. And then it says, after 4 hours, 700 mLs have been given. Calculate the new rate in order to finish on time. So let's look at the original rate. We have 1500 mLs, and it's over 7 hours, which is 420 minutes. And the drop factor is 15. So my formula is going to be 1500 times 15 divided by 420. And if we round this to the nearest whole number, we get 54 GTT per minute. So now looking at the new rate, we're still using the formula, and we're still using the 15 GTT per milliliter. But I need to find out how much time is remaining as well as how much is left in the bag. So how much time is left and how much is remaining in the bag. Okay, so we originally had 1500 mLs, and they tell us that 700 mLs have been given. So 1500 minus 700 is 800 mLs. And then we originally were infusing this over 7 hours, and 4 hours have passed. So 7 minus 4 is 3 hours, and then convert that to minutes, and we get 180 minutes. So there's 180 minutes left. So 800 times 15 divided by 180, and we get 67 GTT per minute. So that will be my new rate.